Hai, công nhận. Rất thích. Bắt đầu lạnh. Được chưa? Mình đi điệp ôm rồi. Rekaman dia asyik menit hati ni. How are you, brother? Good. What's wrong with you? Action, man. Hut.
You wanna say something, bro?
This is Accoland.
Nice place, it's very good.
Today we come here with our friends. This is my one job or one job.
Never job.
This is bro say.
This is me, and this is not me. This is Mangsawa.
This is
And this is. Enjoy! Enjoy them! Rush them! Bye-bye Indian, we're going to Ceylon. Come on people! Bye-bye Indian, we are going to Meghalaya. Adam boy, good. Oh, nice. Very.
Here we call it. Start with Beba.
What is the name of this place?
City Center, brother. In
What?
Guwahati. City
Oh,
Center.
nice. Oh, look at this lift. Yeah, nice. Oh, forget about that guy. We can try this now.
Hey, bro.
City Center.
City Center.
Oh, City Center.
Đi về so cũng đâu one guys nè.
I'm so excited.
You are so excited. Your is secondly or first time?
This is my third time here.
The third time. And you brother?
This is my first time.
Oh, your first time. That's why you so excited, no?
Just a little bit, my brother.
This is Madami showroom.
So how are you?
This is my fourth time or fifth time I come here. It's very nice.
This is city center.
Kaju guys.
Ani,